Hello everybody, welcome back to the Metal Gamers. My name is Bigdog, and today I'm playing Teardown again on this map. It's a cool new map. It's called the Titanic. I bet you all know what the Titanic is. It's like a big boat that sunk a while. Well, I'm actually on it today, and I'm gonna be playing around with it and doing fun stuff with it. So yeah, let's see here. Let's get in. So you can see all the mods I have activated. I have quite a few. Some of them are really fun, like jetpack, everything revolver. Okay, well, here we are on a perfectly normal day. Wow, it is. You want to see it? It's a giant ship. Giant. This is like as big as a map. That's why it is a map. So let's just let's go on the ship. Let's see here. Let's just go look off the deck. And then oh no, is that a megalodon? Please do not come over here. Oh my god. Giant! The giant megalodon. What are you trying to do? Oh crap. Oh! Where is he? He's definitely trying to kill me. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Please don't destroy my ship. God, I think he left. What did he do to the perfect... God, look what he did to the Titanic. At least it didn't destroy one of my beautiful rescue boats. God, these are only for emergencies. I think that's just a little false alarm. I think we'll be fine. I bet nothing else will happen. Oh no! The giant octopus! Guys, this is not good. Oh no! He's destroying one of our things! We have to get him out of here. God, what should we use? The thermite cannon! He hates fire, right? Hold on, I think it's made him more mad. Oh no! Oh! God, he's coming for me! Get out of here. Oh! He's coming for me, look at that giant mountain. Oh! Oh no! He's definitely really mad at me. Oh! Get away from me! Guys, we gotta get rid of him somehow. Let's load up some ammo. Maybe like God, gotta do something fast. One, laser. Take this. I made him even more mad. Oh! He's destroying this beautiful ship. What do we do? Glare. That definitely scared him away. Oh no! His boat's on fire. Crap. But it's kind of getting laggy here. So about the hose. They should be able to put it out. Oh crap! There's a. How did the cracker set the boat on fire? Whatever. Guys, we gotta find a place to be safe for these guys. Maybe. Let's go here, and then we'll probably be safe. Oh, what the? Is this boat really inside those pipes? Guys, that's break out of this real quick. Layers of it, is there? Guys, nothing else could be worse than those two things, right? Is that a whale? Wait, no, wait, is that a whale, guys? Oh no. Guys, I think that is, he's running away. I don't think he really wants to be seen. Oh no. No. Oh no! Get away from him! He's coming for me! Look how strong I'm against this wall. I'm spoke too soon. We gotta get out of here. Fend off against this big fat beast. I think that just made it worse. Oh crap! Don't get in! Ah! No! 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 No, easy! Oh! God, I think I'm inside of him. Oh no. Oh no. I think I'm coming with him. Oh! Oh, I think I just died. What? That, okay, I don't think that guy's, is the entire thing burning down right now? This is so bad. Okay. Our beautiful Titanic is getting destroyed. I need something really good to fend off against these giant monsters. How about just make them fly away? That guy over there. Is he gonna go? Oh no, I think he's flying away. There he goes. I'm just gonna get up there. Attack drone. Shoot him down. Is it coming back? I think he landed somewhere over there. What is all this weird stuff appearing on my screen? Oh, there's the bloop, guys. Let me attack him. Is this guy dead? I think this guy is dead. He's definitely not moving. Okay, we're going back to the ship. How do I escape from this? I don't want to use this anymore. Get out of my drone. Ah, what? I'm in the water. Let me get back in the boat. Guys, if more of this boat is destroyed, I think I might have to evacuate. I'm gonna get one of the boats ready, just in case. Get my drone real quick. So I have to make sure these things are not connected. Just so this boat's activated. Throw it in the water so I can jump down there anytime I need to. Get in the water. You big fat boat. Oh, no! It's just a float, right? Oh! Done. Guys, I think this might be the guy's dad. No, not my boat. Do not destroy my boat. Oh. Please do not. Oh, my boat! Oh, God, I think I'm shut now. He's supposed to kill me. Oh. Destroy my boat. God, I gotta get out of here. Oh no, I gotta get out of here. I'm gonna go to somewhere else. How though? Teleportation. I'll use this just in case. God, I'm gonna prep this one. I cannot stay here for any longer. This place is definitely not a safe environment. Get it into the water boat. Look how to get out of here. Hey guys, here I go. Why is this boat so big? Okay guys, I'm leaving this place. Definitely not staying to that Titanic. It's very, very dangerous there. A cabin? Nah. Where should I go, guys? The junkyard? I gotta go to somewhere safe. A castle? Let's go to the Russian town. I think it's a good place to go. But guys, now I'm broke. I don't have any money. Because the Titanic was pretty much the way I got my money. So now, in this game, I'm kind of broke. Let's see what I could do here. I'm moving to a Russian town. Look guys, this is my cheap apartment. Shut up. Oh, I'm gonna have to pay for that. Finally I'm in the town. Guys, this is my cheap place. And the only way I can go for food is this place. Okay. I think there's a guy working here. Hello. Let's see what I can get here. Oh, guys, I'm really poor. I only have $1. What can I get here for $1? Sir, what can I get here for $1? You can get a plum. What is that? Is really all you can buy? Yep.
С ума сойти? Вот и эта скидка.
Where'd it
Запишись в
go?
очередь на приобретение пиццы до конца
I ate
недели.
it.
И
Why?
получишь возможность
Why?
купить ее со скидкой в 20%.
Go.
Всего $98 вместо 100. Пиццерия Патриот.
Наша администрация трудится безостановочно и следит за вами
Did you
круглые
eat it
сутки.
again?
Просим
Yep.
вас проявить ответную
Stupid
заботу
fat guy.
о ваших инопланетных властителях. Сдавайте кровь и ненужные части
Here you go.
вашего тела в ближайший
Gotta eat
пункт
this.
приема. За каждый литр крови каждый гражданин может получить свои баллы.
Oh, guys, look at this beautiful car. Hey, that's my car. Don't touch it. Let's tell that guy to shut up. Hey, bro. You cannot tell me what to do. Oh, yes, I can. No, you cannot. Hands in the air. I'm gonna take all your food. What? Put your hands in the air. I'm literally gonna
Комитет
kill you.
управления напоминает
Oh, so much
Каждый
better.
нарушитель будет расщеплен на атомы.
Buddy, let me take your car. Fine.
Помните
Killed
про
it.
штраф за воздух?
Huh. God, look at this really nice car. I'll probably sell it for a lot of money. It just starts raining. It's so dumb. Oh, what? Ah, it's fine. This car's still really fine. Oh, I'm having a really good day today. I bet nothing bad could ever happen. Like, what could ever happen that could be really worse? Like, I really don't think it can really get any better. What? This is the worst day ever, you stupid fat shark. My car! You big fatso! What did you do? Eat the car. So, yeah. Shut up. I'm going back to the ocean. How did you get out of here? I don't know. Watch me eat this guy. Fine, let me eat it. Look. You barely even really eat him. You just kind of chunked them up. You destroyed my car, you big fat fish. Well, sorry, I did try. Well, you should have tried better. My car! Go! Ugh. Maybe I could like see another car. It's dumb car. Oh, I can get a job here. Oh, a job at this place. Okay, I'm definitely getting a job here. Definitely not this place. It's not the right place. Oh, this is the right one. What are you doing in my house? I'm kind of looking for a job. So, put your hands in the air. I need money. What? Please, just you shoot me. Come on, give me all your money. Thank you. I'm just gonna rob a bunch of houses. Guys, I think I definitely need some more money though. That looks like me right now. Very, very sad. I'm gonna steal this car. Why can't I drive this car? The car must be broken. Poor car. I'm gonna steal someone's car and sell it. Stupid car! Shut up. Yes. Now we're talking. Guys, look, another sports car! Now I'm having the best day ever. I bet nothing bad could happen. I mean, like, what could happen that would be really that bad? I mean, like, nothing could ever like, destroy my day right now. Because even though my car got destroyed earlier, oh, bro, I need something to practice my target on. I'm gonna find some. What are you doing? No. Someone was streaming a tank into my car. What? That was my car. Now I have to get this ugly van. Come on, let's sell it. Finally, nothing bad can happen. There's no sharks flying from the sky. Not like tanks in the drive anymore. Because this car sucks, so probably no one's. Oh, race car. I'm selling for so much money. Make sure no one's around. No one ever does. Look at this. That's very cool. No! My car! Where the fuck I live? Guys, oh no! Guys, don't worry, there's still another one. I'm gonna pay attention to where I'm driving too. This car doesn't work! This is stupid! Wow! This is like a really expensive car. Oh no! Another sports car! I'm being for sports cars. I gotta get out of here. There's no one's inside, no one. Wait. Oh no, did I forget to check something? I forgot to look up. Oh, sorry, bro. Please don't. You knew. No! My car! Oh, sorry. I was Tennessee street cars. Bye bye. No. Oh. It's a very expensive though. It's a nice like truck. It's like the best car ever. I think I should probably keep this car instead of selling it. Nothing bad can happen to my car if someone like I'm not selling it. Definitely not gonna sell it. Hey man, can I sell this car to you? What car do you? You want to sell a car to me? Sure. I'm gonna see. Okay. Yes. Well, I was not looking. Where the fuck is that? I'm gonna fuck this thing up. Haha. Okay, dude. You can look at this car. It's actually a truck. So it's right. Oh no. Where did the car go? What car, bro? You scammed me? I would punch you right in the nose. Well, I'm gonna shoot you right in the face. My car went away. Oh no! What happened to my truck? Car's so bad! It's barely even drive. I just get a better car. I hate this. Ah. Oak shotgun? I need like... Oh, yes, another truck. Is this my truck? I'm gonna sell to that guy. I'm gonna go sell to that brother. He lives at this place. He lives at this place. Bro. Yeah. I wanna show you this car. Would you? Well, I was not looking. Okay, bro. Okay, I wanna see your car. Here it. This is the worst car I've ever seen. I'm trying to drive it. It doesn't work. You're such a scammer. Fine, whatever. Get in there. What's wrong with it? Get in there, man. You're so dumb. Okay, finally. Is this really the only car you can use? I'll pull this rust bucket into somebody. Please do not destroy it, somebody. Hello? Yeah? Okay, can I please sell this car? Oh, let me see it. Oh, this rust bucket. Wait, this is my brother's car. No, it's not. It's like, I don't kind of like him, but it's not. Oh, okay. Keep it for only $1,000. This car sucks. Oh, okay, fine. I'll take it for $1,000. Okay. From behind, someone did this. I'll buy this car from you. What? What happened? I don't know. Can you still please buy it? But only for $1. It's only one important engine I really need. $1? Fine, give me the dollar. God, I've been trying this stupid car business. Fine, I'm time for my revenge. Fine, I'm gonna buy a tank. I don't have enough money.
Со следующей недели принимаем только доллары, кровь и органы. Вход в магазин только с ковидным паспортом.
Do you have a tank? Oh yeah, I have a tank. Can I buy it?
Желтые и коричневые.
For how much?
Лучшие
Let
напитки
me
для
just see it. I have to make
патриотов.
sure it's a good tank.
Новинка.
Okay.
Метиловые
Let's fill it up.
коктейли «Эскандер» пробивают днище, открывают все клапаны. Со вкусом клюквы,
Okay,
пепла,
that's a really good tank.
вишни,
I'll
бобовой
take it. For
желчи.
how much?
«Эскандер». Пьем где хотим.
To my revenge and everything. Oh! Why did you do this to me, bro? I have to get my revenge. On all these sports car. I'm gonna sell this car to somebody. Please, nothing happen. Please. 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 What? No, friend. No! What are you doing, you big fat monster? Don't destroy my tank! Fine, you deserve this. Strike that, sir. Take this. What is this thing? Please no. Please no. Please no. Yes. Oh! You're the biggest, strongest thing I've ever seen in my life. And I'm just a goatee. No! Oh, yeah, I don't. Giant monster. I don't think I can suck him up. He's sucking me in. Oh no. It's too bright. It's too bright. Uh, what is this? You ate a T-Rex? Oh, I just escaped until I saw the same guy. I'm the guy who's been swinging twice through. Start shooting. And I died. The end.